be a cover by and you have this and you be about links. Links that boy me navigate it through the web page very easily. A boy me access some parts of documents now here and after be here with immediate steps with just a click on a hypertext it will take you there. So a hypertext contains the link, okay? If you click on hypertext now, it takes you to the link you need. And we have 3 types of links we are going to talk about when talking about HTML. So the first link is the INTRA-PAGE. INTRA-PAGE, whenever say I'm working on this page and we have a link and I didn't hear within this page that make me provide a link at the top. Whenever I'm selected to a then the back button. Okay, maybe I don't know at the right side that make me select a link and send a bear within the same page and then back on the right side. Okay, and we have the INTRA-SYSTEM. INTRA-SYSTEM means say ABA within the same website, but on a different page on the same website that me select a link na and then back on that site no. The same might be a website be then here be from the galleries. From the galleries no, it won't be on the main index page. It will be on a different page. So there will be a link, a hypertext via me select here then back on the galleries. Okay. And let's say we have the third one which is the INTRA-SYSTEM. And INTRA-SYSTEM within from one website to another. Say and I want to access an information which is not on my website. I have provided a link. Say now you should open this. Okay. To send my creative website. Number will be access to Google through my website now. I can bring the Google website address URL in my website so that when you tap on it, it will take you straight to Google. Okay, so let's look at an example of website B I'm creating for this tutorial. Okay, so let's open the website. Okay, so this is the website we are using. Many times I said because of the CSS we will be doing, I don't want to add much editing in the HTML. Okay, so this is the website we are having. Website now I'm creating enemy. On the this is the page from top anything to Asia anything. In the let's say I'm in a hurry, I need to check about the price of printing. So I'll just tap on the printing. And it will take me to the printing side straight. And you have to maybe scroll here, you see. And if I'm done, I can just tap on the jump to top. And then back top. This is called the INTRA-PAGE. Within the same page. Okay. Let's say I want to know the t-shirt. And then back straight to the t-shirt. Yeah, my top. I want to know the graphics. I'll just go down. Okay. And one of them because it will take me there straight because I've provided a link. Okay, and what checking so link and say what select now the color changes from the deep blue to let's say purple or so. Okay, so this is the INTRA-PAGE, and we have the INTRA-SYSTEM, which is within the same website but on a different page. They say your history saying over history now. I'm moving it from this home page, which is the page I was on, to a new page with a different description. Okay, so this one is the INTRA-SYSTEM link. Okay, and we have the third one which is let's Google. Okay, so this one because of my my network me so I can't connect now. But you see the link, this is the website of Google. I provided the website of Google in case it be a Google website, mommy. That's what we call the INTRA-SYSTEM. So we have 3. The first one, INTRA-PAGE, which is within the same page. We have the INTRA-SYSTEM, which is within the same website but on a different page. And we have the INTRA-SYSTEM, which is from one website to another. Okay. So let's try and see how we do it practically. let's look at the practical side. Okay, so you open. Okay, so from the one we created, let's try and create something like that. We have history heading. Let's say heading 3. That's history. So I'm creating one for the one for the INTRA-PAGE, the INTRA-SYSTEM, and the INTRA-SYSTEM. So this one will be for the INTRA-SYSTEM. So let me first create the INTRA-SYSTEM first. Okay. So the INTRA-SYSTEM, let's say that'll be printing. Okay, printing music. Example now, me here now printing. You just copy and paste them. Okay, printing, copying, and Google. Let's create another one for email. 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 Okay. So at this point, you create paragraph to contain some words there. So using the learn. Okay. You copy and paste it under all. I hope say and here when you should be brave. Let's try. Okay. So let me reduce the size more so that you'll be able to see it well. Okay. So this is the copying, this is the Google one, this is the email, and this is the history side. So in providing the links, you'll be providing it at the head side. Okay, and the tag you'll be using is A. The A, which stands for anchor, the anchor tag. Okay. So let's create the one I did, which is the jump to the top. So my main break line now maba down to top. Okay, over copy win to all the others. If we know main point, so we give an attribute called an ID. An ID, no, everyone might be educated. It's like giving let's say in a previous in IIM, so programming language there, you give it a name so that you can easily identify it. Okay, so the printing side, Neverman IDB, IFN print. Okay, and at the copying side, Neverman ID. Me a friend also copy. Okay. At the Google side, you will go. It's an ID. You can just create anything for it. Okay. Do over to me and now history side, you need me about because it carries the details of the website or the company. Okay, so to create the INTRA-PAGE one, you just have to create the somebody can say you are using the anchor. So the anchor is the tag A This is anchor. You have the place with forward slash. Okay. So to provide links, we have to give it an attribute, okay, which is the href. Href, meaning a hypertext reference, okay. So the on page, because it is within the page, we are going to use the hash. So this is the hash. Now, what are the ID of the ID of the hypertext? So here we are going to use the print, because your boss print me ID. So print. Okay, so this is the first one. You create another one. You create another ID. So this one you are going to give it printing. That's the name you want to display. And so I said this is the variable name, and this is the name that will show label needing I be sure but on the system this is the name I just saved. Okay, so let's do another one for the copy and the rest. Okay, this for copy. Okay, and the name will be copy. Yeah. Okay. Next one. The next one is for Eden Granican. Okay, let's say the Google and the about. Okay. So with the INTRA-PAGE, this is how we are going to do it. And with the about me, we have to create a new file which is the about. Okay. So we are going to create a new file within this folder. I hope that we've gone through how to create a file. So and I'm going to name it about dot html. Okay, so you just create some HTML something, make it about. Increase something at the body side to make it nice. Okay. H1 history. And let's paragraph it P. Well, okay, because it's about me add more okay, so this is the HTML we've created. So to link this about, you just have to make it about dot html. Okay, now behind the history any show movie. So this is the site, or this is the URL, the location of the about. Okay, so let's to the Google. So to link the Google, it's also the A anchor. Now we are using the same thing. The href, we are going to use the website, which is www.google.com. You can also choose to give it mobile started from HTTP. It's just the URL, so you can just make it anyhow. Okay, so we give here Google, or let's Google how you want to make it here. So it's left with the mail. With the mailing site, you are going to use the anchor so with the mailing site. But with the mail, you are going to provide your email address. Say there will be access to the website, no person or send a message. There should be some default you see. Then you only call they provide an interface for that person to just send the message. Okay. Okay. So let's create the anchor as we've done already. The ATS, and you type mail to. So you provide your email address. Okay. So mine is upon Amanka. Let's use Imamushi 5477. This is just any email I'm using. It's not my email. Okay. .com. Okay, so you just give it email. Whenever I link in the this is what you are trying to do. So from what we've done, I want you to know that this one, the first two, INTRA-PAGE. Okay. The third one is INTRA-SYSTEM, and the last two is INTRA-SYSTEM. So you let me give it some heading so that I will do wait for the HTML there. Come on, it depends on how the one who is using Quantia, you can use it anyhow. Okay, so let's try and learn it very well, and it will help us. Break it in line. Let me tell you this time. Let me show you. This is INTRA-SYSTEM. Now you can break it one. Okay. You can find that. This is INTRA-SYSTEM linking. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our browser and check from our website, web development. Okay, on the order about web page now creating and also now one. So let's look from the index one. Okay, so your web page in the come on, and from what I said, you see say hyperlinks mean in blue. So the INTRA-PAGE within the same page. So let's try and go to the copy. On the copy, okay, let's go to the printing to go to the history. You see, history tab is because you specify the target. Say the cell and answer the target. So and answer blank. So by default, a cell a be within the same page. Okay. So I will teach you how to do the blank one. So and also with the Google, it's connected to internet and Google be okay, and with the mail and also they show which of the mail do you want to use? Is it Google Mail, Outlook Mail, or what? Okay, so let's learn. Let me teach you how to open the link in a blank one, to create a link in a blank one, and we'll do the jump to top also. Okay, so with the jump to top, yes, baby do and see. I here in paragraph, but we want to change it into a hyperlink. You see, that's to test your understanding on how you understand this thing. So you take away the paragraph from it. So anchor, you see, you for anchor, so you know how to create the anchor. But with the jump to testing, you just use the hash won't pass in count. Because within the same page, but I won't specify. And in the name, jump to top. Okay, so let's go to the printing and check. Once I'm making a hypertext, so when you tap it, it will take you to the top. You all top in here, but when you come here and you tap it, it will take you to the top. Okay, so you try and create the rest of them. Okay, so let's look at how we can open links in a different page. Okay, so at the anchor side, we are going to create another attribute which is called the target. Okay, the target is how you want it to be opened. So with the history side, I want it to open in a new page. So history side, I'll bring the target. So at the target, to open it in a new page, you have to make it blank. Okay, that's underscore blank. Okay, so within the INTRA-SYSTEM, which is external ones, so the person here blank, so we also add the target which is underscore blank. Note in there, it will open a new dialog box. It will do it. Okay, so let's go and check. Let's refresh. Let's go to the history, and you see it has opened it in a blank page. Let's go to the Google, and Google has also opened it in a new tab. Okay, so depending on how you want it to be, there are many target attributes that we can learn. We have the self, we have the parent, the top, the frame name, and also. So after giving you the first one, this is how you are going to do it. This is how you are going to frame it. So you just try your hands on the other target attributes. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to link the INTRA-PAGE link, the INTRA-SYSTEM link, and the INTRA-SYSTEM link. Thank you.